What's up everybody, welcome to Park Mazda. I'm Aaron Lowe and today we're looking at the brand new 2019 Mazda CX-9. The 2019 model year has quite a few new features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. We've got a 360 camera, power folding mirrors, a frameless rear view mirror, air-conditioned seats for driver and front passenger. The Signature trim is also still included with rear heated seats, power liftgate, brown Napa leather interior, very stylish LED front headlights, LED fog lights, LED rear combination tail lights, the list goes on. The instrument panel has also been redesigned to integrate the air-conditioned seat functions. With the Signature trim, you're going to get that nice wood grain interior everywhere as well. Be sure to book your test drives online by going to parkmazda.ca. Come on down and take the CX-9 for a spin. We'll set you up with a $25 Visa gift card. Also be sure to follow us on Instagram. Check us out on YouTube at youtube.com/parkmazda Sherwood Park. And don't forget to like us on Facebook as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. It's been our pleasure to serve you, and we hope to see you very soon.